Hello and welcome to Rachel Fantastic channel. I'm Rachel Fantastic and it is 6:40 in the morning. I'm just at the brand new car boot at Ascot. I've just driven past about 50 cars to get into the queue, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. You should come buy, you should come sell, you should come buy my stuff. Buy my stuff. Okay, so I'm just waiting in the queue to move to get in. Yeah. Let's wait and then let's go. Okay, I'm set up. This is what we've got. And I want to walk around now, they're letting them in. Let's look back to our stations. And the people are coming in. Look.
What should you do?
£10.
Anywhere near a 5 on it?
Do £8.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, loser.
Mate.
You alright? Yeah, good.
Filming you, filming me.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make a song out of that.
Doing well on the channel, right?
Well, trying. What you got?
M&M's playing, I said.
Woo. Look at all my wonders.
All your wonders.
Would you like a wooden fruit bowl on a lovely sandy type thing?
I'm going to say no.
That's a shame. So for the £8.
Yeah, go on. I've got to buy still
4, 3, 2. Yay! Always worth getting out of bed. There you go.
You.
£2.
$6 for 3.
Yep. Yeah, we'll do that.
You got change in 10?
Yeah. I've come prepared.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, not bad, yeah, you?
Good.
There you go, thank you.
Not doing one.
No,
Really? It's cheap. Yeah, well I figured I don't want to take everything out.
£5 for circulation booster.
No. You can have it for a tenner.
Huh?
You can have it for a tenner.
I'll do 8.
No, I'll do 12. I was asking 15 and I was telling you tenner because I like you.
Yeah, but you should really like me.
Come on, it's for 40 quid all day that is.
Is it all in there?
Yep.
I have not bought anything. Not even the borders.
How much is it?
£4.
I'm only doing it for content for you. Guys, like and subscribe, early bird buy. I've got to spend something, don't I?
Yeah, what about little TVs? I'll do them £2 each if you want. Just because I've bought them out like twice now. And...
Really?
Free for it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because I only said.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take that one.
See? Look how I'm looking after you. Bit of both.
Any Ubers?
Nothing more exciting than it.
Hey, actually, the back's at the end.
John's
Fully working.
now, isn't he?
Fully working.
I've missed you, Owen.
Hello.
Yeah, you alright?
Nice to meet you.
And you?
What size are the wellies?
Oh, they 9s.
About an 8 or something like that.
Oh no, it's 7.
Oh, okay, no.
my size actually. I wonder if my fat thighs will fit in wellies now. Large girls, you understand my problem. Wellies, I never make them wide enough. Oh yeah, like just about now. That's made me quite happy, that has. Maybe I should keep them. There you go. Sold to Rachel. Sunshine is coming up.
Follow you on YouTube.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
Alan. Always like him.
Yay. Oh, yay. Thank you.
No worries.
How much is your, I don't know what you would call it, plastic thing?
The rake?
You do the, yeah.
£3.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Much gloves?
£2.
£2.
Yeah.
Bargain, thank you.
Boom.
Can't wear them now.
Yeah, stick them on. It's freezing. The box?
Yeah.
What, empty?
Yes.
Empty, yeah. £4.
Can I offer you 2? Because it's cold.
Do 3.
How about 3? Go on, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Let me chuck everything out over here. Woohoo, you're a winner.
Can you look it after
Yeah,
me?
sure, I can stick it over here for you. Lovely.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Cheers.
G-Tech chargers. It's like you're just not looking properly. Like a Dyson home kit.
How much?
£1 each.
Trolley, £4.
See?
Thanks.
It's a good job we got a
Subscribe
personal
to Rachel
shopper.
Fantastic.
£1.
Just like
Great, thank you. What you found?
absolutely nothing.
No, let me, I've got a jacket in the back. Let me actually see if it's any good.
Come on, come to me.
We'll go in the backpack.
I need to have to pull the pen over.
One bit of clothing, so I didn't bother putting it up.
Right, if you didn't know, this is Rachel Fantastic. Check her out on YouTube. Very, very funny.
With the goods.
With the goods. They come with it.
If you want it, you can. No, okay. Is that cow print though? No, it's that leopard print.
Yeah, go on. How much?
£3.
Put it 5.
£5. That's why you're my favourite YouTuber, you see.
There we go. Now have I got the change?
So I got 5 if you got
Yeah.
10.
Perfect.
Wonderful. Yay,
that.
now you bought something. You can go home happy. Ish.
Hello.
Hello.
You don't know me, sorry.
No, but hello.
On the cards.
I was doing £7 a tin, but I'm open to offers,
Okay.
as always.
Right, okay. How you doing?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, so I follow you.
Oh, yay.
I know Axeman Dave, and he showed me on his account to follow
Okay.
you, so
Oh, lovely, thank
yeah.
you.
No, that's all right.
And let's see. £2.
Thank you.
Cool, thank you. There you go, thanks very much.
Cheers.
Craft and bits. It's like 2 bits for 50p. When you get a big old bundle, you can have the whole lot for £6.
So basically, you just bought everything off Rachel.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Toaster, £3. No, not interested.
£3.
£3 for a not brand new, but a fully working toaster. Hello. I am.
Take it.
Yeah.
Yep. Wonderful. Enjoy your toaster.
There you go. Nice and clean.
I cannot say no scrapbooking order because I bought all the stuff.
Oh, sorry,
I'm so sorry.
I didn't grab it. I was like, ah. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I put that into the bag?
How much are these?
£2.
How much is the bucket?
Bucket, £5. Wonderful. Thank you. For some things.
What's your very, very best on there?
Oh, I'll do 10.
Very tempted.
Okay. So say for argument, what's the best you can do all for?
6, 12, 4. Do £20 a lot.
£20?
Yeah.
Can I just put it down there? I just want to see if it's uranium glass or
Yeah,
not. I think
sure.
It's too bright in the sun, can't
Yeah.
tell.
Go on then. We'll do that. I can't bother to go through them all.
Yeah. Lovely. Thank you.
That's spacious.
I have got one here. Yep, there you go. But,
No, I think I'm going to leave it. Thank
Okay.
you anyway. It's,
can't see, so the sun's so bright. £1. Lovely, thank you.
And this set?
£10.
That's thank you. A bit expensive. Like a fiver?
No, not a fiver.
No.
I sell the small ones for a fiver. No, £8 would be my lowest on that.
8.
Yeah.
I have to think about. Thank you.
How much is this?
£1.50.
£1.50. Can I give you one?
Yep.
Thanks.
Just hang on before you do that.
Oh, do you want to buy more?
Yeah, I want to. Sorry, how much for the extension cord? Which one are they?
Which ones? Do £1 for the 2-1, and then the big longer ones are £2.
Okay.
So,
Grab one of these, yeah.
okay, so that's a pound. So £2. I have change. Yes, I do. Here we go.
Wonderful. Thanks very much.
Thank you so much.
Did you lower the price
Sorry?
on the box?
No, no lower than 8. 8 would be it. Wonderful. Thank you.
Do you have a bag for it, if you don't mind?
I haven't got any bags. I'll double check though, but I'm pretty sure.
Please, because my... No, always have a good one.
You too.
Thank you, see you around.
£2. Wonderful. Thanks so much.
Thank you. All right. Thank you.
Right.
How much did they say?
£4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take it.
Yeah. So I forgot to put my camera back on at some point. I think I sold the Dyson pack that was on the table for £4. Sold a magnet for 50p. We sold a little pot for £1. Kettle for £2. What an amateur. It's been a nice steady football morning.
How much is it?
£1. Yeah, all right, you? £5. I will, yes.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. How
Nice
are
and
you?
clean inside.
How are you?
I'm wonderful.
You don't come to all this.
I don't. How much? £1 each.
Son-in-law can't do nothing with it all, you know. Eh? No, she can't.
Wonderful. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Leave it where people in my mind.
How much for the mug? 50p.
That can do me for work. You can't sit, everyone's still keeps seeing everyone else's mugs. I thought I'll get one of mine.
So you've got your letter on it.
Yeah, exactly.
I just need an A and a P to come along now.
Yeah. There we go.
Wonderful, thank
Perfect.
you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Hello, ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
How much is?
£3.
And the hammer, plus the hammer.
£1, so £4 altogether.
My own pound. Madam. Thank you very much.
Lovely, thank you.
Why like to stop in the first one?
I'm ready now. Thank you so much for that.
all right.
I really do appreciate it.
There you go.
You're a star.
Wonderful, thanks. 50p.
I don't suppose you've got any bags. You should have brought a bag.
I've got one bag left. It's just a cold one. There you go. Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Great, thank you.
How much is the hammer as well while we're here?
£1.
Have a look at it and see if it's any good.
How much is your rake? Rake, £2.
We take the hammer as well,
Yep.
please.
Wonderful, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Lovely, thank you.
Thank you very much. £2 for the set.
£1, please.
Yep, I'll take £1.
I'll just put.
Yep. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. This a mirror.
Yeah.
How much is the mirror?
£3.
This one how much?
£3 as well.
How much is it?
£3. £3.
Please, yeah.
Yep, we'll do 2.
Thank you. It's brand new, isn't it?
Yep.
tins?
50p. Wonderful, thank you.
So I do something else. I've come to pick my spade.
Yeah.
Oh, it
I
just
think
does
so,
that.
yeah.
That's quite good. Would you reckon that one or that one? It's missing a thing on the bottom.
There's yours.
What do you want for these?
£4 each.
That one's missing a thing. Right, I'm also going to have your
The sander?
Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
so 7 then. You
Yeah.
said that was 4. Oh, what did you tell me that was 3?
Probably. Yeah. That'll do.
Right, can you carry?
Oh, you carry something, yeah.
I'll carry the box. Can you carry the box? No, I can carry the box. Okay, so I need to give you another 7. Am I your best customer?
Well, you're up there. You might be in the top 5. I know what they want.
I've got bits here. Got my needles, some doodads, some pin.
£3.
Perfect.
That one.
Does it slide up? And I can stick that over my shoulder and carry those.
Just give me one of them.
Lovely.
I'm giving you more then, nearly.
Thank you.
Thank you, darling. What's your name?
Rachel.
Thank you, Rachel.
That's fine, thank you very much.
I've just moved into a house.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, thank you, Rachel.
It's all right.
See you on the next one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. Step ladder, £4.
Yeah?
Yeah. Taking
I
them.
missed the other pair.
Oh.
I walked all the way round, I couldn't find any. I was just about to say to somebody I can't find any.
Yeah.
And then I saw them. Thank you.
That's all right.
Oh.
So the Maro, is that
Well, the extension leads.
the extension, yeah.
£2 each.
Which one is the heavy duty?
Maybe the ones with the switches on, which is quite good. That's probably the best one.
I think this is the best, isn't it?
Yeah, that one is the best.
With the switch.
Yeah.
How about that nappy? China nappy.
They're £3 a pack. I've got 3 big boxes of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful, thank you.
Just looking what I'm gonna have for pound. I can give you 4 for that.
£4 a pack, yeah. Thank you. There you go.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Sorry, how much is your extension?
£3 each.
How much are they?
50p. Thank you. There you go, it's your 50p change.
I got 2.
Yeah, 50p for the 2.
Okay, thank you.
Bargain price.
Thank you. We can give you that 50p for something else as well.
There you go for. Oh, cool little one there.
How much are they?
Like 50p for 2,
For 2. And for these 2?
50p.
Sorry.
Yeah.
One £3.
I'll give
Yeah.
you 50p, that is.
Yeah.
That's it.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. There you go. Thank you.
What do you want for them?
£1.
£1. What do you want for them?
£2. Think that one.
I'll sleep them back. How much is the sleeping bag?
£2. Do you need more? I have more in the van as well. Just sleeping bags. You know what's the same as one you've got in your hand.
Have you got any bag? Because I.
Ooh, let me see. Thank you. Got an old Spider-Man bag. You can put.
Anything. Just
That's it. Yeah. That's all I've got. There's no holes in it, I think.
No. They're not gonna go in.
Yeah, they will.
They will.
There we go.
Oh, well done. And
Professional. £2
I'll
away.
give you £2
Yeah.
for 3 of them. If you can just try to fit them in, please.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful.
Hey, 50 pence.
Yeah, it's a bit trading. Not antique, but like that. But
Thank you very much.
it's
Wonderful.
on
Thank
every
you.
week, so when you come back.
And this one?
50p.
Maybe عندك 50. And how much is the drill?
£5.
You know that like
Can it be 3?
No, I'll do 4 on it.
I don't need the box.
Okay.
عندك 4 ولا ما عندك؟ And the drill bits also.
you know that Nurgis husband.
Ah,
That Nurgis husband. She has good. She has good.
£4.50, yeah.
hey.
Started wearing his scarf. And I was like, they're really cool. And I was giving my mum was
There you go. Thank you. Do you not need instructions? Are you sure? Do you know how to use it?
Yeah, thank you very much. Actually, I mean,
But yeah.
it's just a matter of carrying the dust.
£1.
Not 50?
No, £1 for that one. Definitely. Lovely, thank you. Yep, wonderful, thank you. And I am back from the car boot. Ascot car boot was good. I made good money. It was the first one opening and it was like a constant flow of footfall. People walking, people buying. The sun was shining. Once the cold morning, everything went like icy on my table because it was that cold. But yeah, once the sunshine was just in my face the whole day, oh, I felt so good. So yeah, Ascot car boot, I recommend it to sell, to buy, do it all. Yeah, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like the channel, go subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye now.